everyone, I have a new live stream coming up. Not too long ago, I received an email about weathering large amounts of rolling stock, and since I have a small layout, I only ever have about 1 to 2 pieces on my desk at any given time. So chances are, if you have a lot of rolling stock, you're just not going to be able to sink 5 hours into weathering a single car. So how do we weather a whole lot of rolling stock within a short period of time? Well, let's talk about it on my next live stream coming up this Tuesday, February 4th at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We will talk about different ways about going about it, some tips and tricks that I have developed in painting armies for war games, but also an opportunity to share things that have worked for you. If I get my act together, I may even be able to do a live demonstration on one trick that you're not going to want to miss. So come on out, join us on the live stream, and let's talk about all things weathering large amounts of rolling stock. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and in the meantime, good luck, and may you keep on track.